Hey guys, it's Will from Lakeshore RV. Phone number 616-566-0909. I'll be showing you the 28VBXL by Wildwood X Lite. Come on in. Inside, you have the Versa Lounge. This converts into one big bed, a chase lounge, or a U-shaped dinette. To turn this into a sleeper, you're gonna pull this out.
"12 seconds later.
And this is how it's laid out. With this spread out, this unit will sleep up to 8 people. You still get a huge 3-burner stove with an oven. You got the little lights that show you when it's on or off. If you hit this knob and it glows red, that means the gas is on. Farmhouse style sink, 2 sink compartments, so you have space to do dishes. All right, let's check out this bunkhouse. Inside this bunkhouse is actually really spacious. 2 bunks on each side. This is a couch now, but it does turn into a queen bed. Guys, this is the Versa Queen. Both bunks are up. You have a queen mattress. Put your spreadsheet on there, and you could comfortably sleep 2 adults. That just folds up like that. The cushions go back. And the end result is this. Coming in here, you could set your TV up here, gaming station, things like that. All right. New for Wildwood this year, you're gonna have a mirrored face fireplace, new parquet floor. This unit is also equipped with a solar panel, this new 12-volt electric fridge. Every Wildwood comes with 5 storage bins, 3 of them under here, 2 of them in here. Inside the bedroom, you also get a custom-sized king bed with all the stow and go storage. All right, coming on outside, you have a Suburban griddle with a Everchill mini fridge, 20-foot awning with lights, speakers outside. New for 2023, Wildwood switched to fiberglass. First time they've ever done it. On the back of this door, you have a dry erase board. You can leave notes for your kids, wife, husband, assign certain tasks. You also have this huge under the bed storage. You got a laundry hamper here. You could access it inside. This X Lite is half-ton towable. Comes in at a weight of right around 6,300, so almost anything can haul it. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, my name's Will. Call me at 616-566-0909 at Lakeshore RV.